Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can go through the maze room to go to the treasure room in Fish It in the latest update. So I'll make it really slow so you guys can follow me, but once you're here, you're going to go straight, turn right, turn left, turn right, and then here you're going to turn right. Then you're going to go all the way to the front, turn left, and you're going to go all the way to the front again. Turn left, and then go to the right, turn left, and it is a tight squeeze, but you can manage. Then you're going to kind of like turn here, turn the first corner, turn left, turn right, and when you see, just walk and follow the candles, and there you go. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.